Welcome to Meadow Lane Village, Malabor Tibiao, Antique. A new standard of tranquil living by iPhoner Realty Solutions. Nestled in the heart of Malabor Tibiao, Meadow Lane Village offers a serene and secure community, designed for comfort, convenience, and modern living. We offer a diverse selection of mixed-use buildings tailored to suit your business needs. Adjacent to the mixed-use buildings is a private residential area designed for peaceful and comfortable living. Discover the perfect balance of privacy and practicality with our modern duplex buildings designed for growing families, multi-generational living, or smart investment opportunities. Own a charming bungalow in a peaceful community, a modern design, spacious layout, and everything you need on one floor. This upcoming subdivision blends the beauty of nature with thoughtful planning, making it the perfect place to build your future. Spacious lots, ideal for families, green surroundings, and easy access to key destinations. Live where peace meets progress. Meadow Lane Village is your next home.